to the 11th part on the chapter Locomotion and Movement. In this part, we will be understanding various types of disorders that are found in bones and joints. So just have a look into these disorders. Locomotion and movement. Now we are going to take few disorders of bones and skeletons, of joints and skeletons. So let's begin with the first one, that's sprain. Sprain refers to injury to a joint capsule, typically involving a stretching or tearing of tendons or ligaments. Mostly it is if you have experienced a major sprain, it's going to be tearing of tendons or ligaments. If it's a minor one, then only stretching will be there and you will find swelling at the place where sprain has occurred. Next comes the dislocation. Dislocation is displacement of bones. From where? From their original position, from their normal position. So let's have a look at this sprain factor. In this diagram you can see, here is the ankle sprain, here we get the knee sprain, and look at this diagram. This is the ligament, posterior tibiofibular ligament, that's ruptured. Anterior tibiofibular ligament, that's hidden, it's also ruptured. So sprain is involving either stretching or rupturing of tendons and ligaments. Dislocation. In this diagram you can see, this is the normal finger and this one is the dislocated finger. The bone is dislocated from its normal position. Next comes arthritis, that's also known as aching joints. Arthritis refers to what? To inflammation of the joints. So there will be burning sensation in the joint. It's a common disease of old age. It's commonly found in old age, but few people in young ages as well as experience this disease. For example, I have a friend of there is a friend of mine who is in 20 plus and he is having arthritis. So it can be in young age as well, but mostly found in old age. Its common symptoms are pain and stiffness in the joints. There is one type of arthritis, that is osteoarthritis. Osteo, you know what is osteo? Yes, it's bone. Secretion of the lubricating synovial fluid. There is a synovial fluid that secretes between the bones where there is joint between the two bones. So at that point, secretion of this lubricating synovial fluid stops. And the smooth cartilage, there is always a cartilage covering the ends of the bones, that smooth cartilage also stops. Due to which what will happen? The bones will start rubbing. Due to that rubbing of bones, burning sensation, inflammation, pain will be there. Next is rheumatoid arthritis. It's a chronic painful inflammation of the, again, synovial membranes of many joints. Look into this figure. These are the normal joints, normal synovial membranes, and here these red colored ones are the chronic painful inflammation of rheumatoid arthritis. Okay. Next is gout. These all are the types of arthritis. So gout is the third type. It is an inherited disorder of purine metabolism. We inherit it, okay, occurring especially in men. It's found mainly in men. Body forms excess amount of uric acid. So uric acid, its amount is increasing, and due to which crystals of sodium urate are deposited in the synovial joints. So this will give rise to severe arthritis. Next comes osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is reduction in bone tissue mass, and it will in turn cause weakness of skeletal strength. You can see osteon means bone, poros means pore, osis means condition. It results from what? From excessive resorption of calcium and phosphorus from the bone. So this is the condition. Look at the diagram. This one is the healthy bone, and here this one is the osteoporosis. Here you can see reduction in bone tissue mass. This is the reduction. Next comes slip disc. Slip disc is displacement of vertebrae and the intervertebral fibrocartilage disc from their normal position. This is a very painful situation. Okay, so in this what happens? You can see in the diagram, this one is the normal disc and this one is the herniated disc. Here you can see there is displacement between vertebrae and intervertebral fibrocartilage. Okay, so what will happen? Due to this dislocation, the veins that pass through our vertebral column, they will be pressed. So maybe one brain or many brains. So when when one vein will be pressed, what will happen? It will cause pain. So that pain will travel from head till toe. So this slip disc is a very painful situation. This is all about the disorders of skeletons and joints. If you have any query, just go to the website askIITians.com, click on the discussion board, select the category of your question type, type your question over there and get it answered from our experts, the experts of Ask IITians, within 24 to 48 hours free of cost. Well students, this was all about the types of disorders found in bones and joints. We have learnt about the disorders like sprain, dislocation, arthritis, osteoporosis and slip disc. This is the last part on the chapter locomotion and movement. We have in this complete chapter what we have learned. We have learned about the types of movements, the types of locomotions that are found in various types of families. Then we learned about the human skeletal system, which was again subdivided into axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Under axial skeleton, we studied about the skull, the sternum and ribs, and the vertebral column. We also learned in this chapter about the types of joints that join two bones. And lastly, we have understood the types of disorders found in bones and joints. Hope this complete chapter is now clear to you. For more lectures on biology, keep tuned to askIITians.com. We are here to help you, we are here to guide you, and we are here to teach you. Thank you.